Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen in OBS. Okay, first of all, you need to go to NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings, select OBS Studio, and choose integrated graphics. I know you and hit apply. I know you have seen that before. Most probably you've seen that before, and it didn't work for you as it did to me. So now what we're going to do is to close this, and when you're going to this is gonna fix the display capture, what I did in NVIDIA control panel. The display capture is now fixed, but the game capture is not. So what you're going to do is you're adding a your new game capture, hit OK, or your existing one, you just go to properties. This doesn't matter. Okay, you created a new display, your new game capture, and you need to enable SLI crossfire capture mode slow and force scaling. And basically, this is going to fix it. That's it. That's all you have to do. You just create a new one or go to properties, and yeah, you just enable SLI crossfire capture mode and force scaling, and this is going to fix it. The black screen for game capture, and for display you just need to go in NVIDIA control panel. I hope this was useful and it fixed your problem as it did to me, because I actually found it by mistake because I was very desperate to fix it. I really hope this helped you, and I would appreciate if you'd leave a like and maybe subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.